Hello everyone, so now let me invite you to prepare. So now I want to go for accompany my sister to bake her birthday, so I will try to a new style makeup. So let's me touch you first of course that I must use moisturizer first before that. So yeah, we must to make a gala first what I want to use now. And now first that I will use moisturizer. This I use moisturizer. It's come from Dreamy. Dreamy moisturizer. That's Glowis exactly. Then the brand's name it's exactly is Glowis. But the moisturizer its name is Dreamy. Now maybe I will use a little this. Then only make my face that more shine, not shiny exactly, that make more so plumpy. Like I said, maybe that I have said this for many times that I'm so nervous that if on camera, so I need to doing something when I'm speak. So uh, I will speak loudly and clearly, of course, although I'm use makeup. um I'm not like that. I mean like when to if I'm doing something that I will finish to speak, it's not. I will to try to often to speak up, okay? And don't forget to use now I want to like try that breast doll, maybe you have see that on TikTok, but I will try to that like breast doll. This is my first time to try, so don't judge, okay? Because I want to use lip balm first. It's different with exactly it's like lip serum, but this is lip balm. It's different exactly, but I can use wherever I want. But for makeup I will use this. So I use that when I'm morning or before sleep. Then when I wake up, that's make my my lips that's more plumpy. So if I'm use what lipstick that it's better. Of course may not forget to use this, because you know that my under eyes it's black. Basically, I just finished cry this. I told you why this my eyes be. How can this my eyes like this? Let I'm watching the season 2 of I the summer I tuned pretty that I have tried to watching again, but it's haven't finished. It almost finished exactly, but it's haven't. And then just know in these sessions that Jeremiah with Cornat's mom it was die. So why I'm going to cry, it's so sad. The Susanna it was die. And not only me that maybe was cry because of this. I believe whoever have watching the summer I tuned pretty, I believe that you will feel cry in these sessions, because like we know that Susanna is so kind people, right? And she loves Billy so much. Isabel, Belly or Billy, yeah, Belly. And then in this session is it's like the um, fall back to the when Cornat with Billy was steady, and back again when now they still to the um, enjoy the summer for 2 years again for that. Yeah, this first the for this years it's first time they not make a celebrate for summer with Susanna's family, because yeah, now Susanna have died. You know why I'm cry also, that house for they live when the summer, when the summers come, that whose Susanna's sister was seller that house. So why that so cry that, because that house, it's so many moment there, like every wall, on every corner, that there is Susanna's what the name with um like we know that Susanna's hobby is painting. So what we say that in lukisan, yeah, every corner that Susanna's like a picture that, and of course that she um, painting paintings her child, and of course Billy also. Or the main point, that's all her family, her best friend. Let me know that Susanna is so kind. And then I feel like that I feel like cry also, because if you have watching from the first time, you know that who that Susanna. So why that I think why Susanna must die. And then now this they came again in cousins. Yeah, the names of the country is cousins. Yeah, that they in that house. And yeah, this episode will doing something that the name, it's Glory Gria. Yeah, Glory Gria. For that Jeremiah with Cornas auntie will sell that house. But Cornat with Jeremiah was angry to her to his auntie, because that house, it's uh, something's favorite for her mom. And then, but I don't know why I haven't finished to watching, so I will watching next. I will touch you again next maybe. So yeah, and then uh, this they are decide to discuss and ask Jeremiah with Cornat's father for give them her money for the school. But his father is the one to give the money. So now they only have one planning that will make messy that ceremony for next. And yeah, you can see that snack, guys. I don't know, that maybe was like what I'm haven't to finish watching, so maybe next. And yeah, this makeup exactly was there is contour, but I don't have it. Yeah, you know why? because that because that I'm seldom to, like I said, this still to try this makeup style, so I don't have that what I need, so I want to use what I have. Maybe why I'm use this, because I'm so curious when I'm see on TikTok that's so interest, so I interest to try also. So you can see this, but I think the color it's different this with this. It's more like, because I use a different skin tone. And then I continue, guys. Last night that I have watching Perfect Crown, right? But last morning that the 8th episode was Get Out, and then I'm continue watching that. I'm continue, and then like you know that the other day I was taught you that Heju uh, was get what we say that in racun. Yeah, she get that from, I believe that Deva Mama, that Permaisuri was give her. Exactly, it's not for her. Exactly, it's for Ian's prince. But when the ceremony, that glass was changed with her, because she exactly she don't know that if that glass there is racun, guys. So why when she pulled down beside the table, that she don't know that if that glass was changed by Cheng. So when exactly if people have often to drink medicine for make you hurry to sleep, and then you get that racun again, and you will directly die. But because this girl Haiju was seldom to not seldom, exactly, it's not drink something like that, and then she can um, not die. But if the Ian's prince was drink that, I believe that he can't to live again. And then that's so lucky. So why that Ian's prince so angry that. And you know, yesterday before they married, they make a like the name that kontrak nikah, and then whoever maybe that's make that things was uh, get out. So that's when she still on outside, that she gets from student in the university. The main point that I don't know the continue, guys, because it's heaven get out. And you know, 1 week 1 episode, and 1 week it's 1 episode, and then um, only only 12 episode, and the get out only when Friday or Saturday. So hard when I can watching that. I don't like it. I can't do waiting until too long time. And yeah, you know, this exactly is you can pay for watching, but because I'm so curious, so I'm pay, guys. Only 15, not 50, 15. But it's okay, it's worth it to watching. And then maybe I told you that the ending like what, but waiting until finish, okay. It's still now on there are egg still for us, but that's mean it's still a 4 episode, so will ending, guys. But I see on TikTok the end it that Ian's prince was die. I don't believe it, because I must watching that. You know, not only me so interest this with this film. You know, Chacha's mom also, my auntie also, all that so interest with this, because it's so nice, you know, it's so nice that you must do watching, guys. I recommend it to you to watching that. yeah guys, you can't to see this my makeup, so I will give you look at next. So yeah, maybe enough for today. Thank you for watching my vlog. Bye bye. I want to continue my makeup because I'm in hurry now. Bye bye. The point is makeup. Okay.